Hey paper callers, I'm Jordan Soto with Ringba, the premier call tracking platform for paper call marketers. In this video, we're going to be looking at 3 types of call flows that Ringba can help optimize. If you're working with a direct buyer, you've got your call tracking all set up. This is how most simple call flow works. When a consumer sees an advertisement and calls your tracking number, that call gets routed to a buyer. They answer the phone, and if the criteria is met, the affiliate or the publisher gets the commission, and Ringba tracks all of that for you. When the customer is presented with an IVR, which stands for Interactive Voice Response, they're given a couple of choices like press 1, press 2, press 3, you get the point. And based on the caller's response, whatever they enter into the IVR, Ringba determines whether the call is qualified or not. So if it's a debt call and we're asking if the caller has more than $10,000 in unsecured credit card debt, if they have that, they press 1, which means they're qualified. If they don't, they press 2. That means they're not qualified. Then the qualified call is forwarded to a buyer, and then the affiliate gets the credit or commission for that call. With warm transfer call flows, a consumer sees an advertisement and calls the affiliate's tracking number. Then the first call center, the qualifying call center, answers the phone. There could be a conversion event during this first answered call, but it depends on the campaign. The agent that answers the call asks a list of questions to qualify the caller for the campaign. If the customer is qualified, the call gets transferred to a second call center. After the call handoff, and if the customer meets the requirements, there's another possible conversion event. Typically, in warm transfers, the conversion event is on the transfer. After it gets transferred, the affiliate usually receives their credit and maybe the first call center. This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per call, visit www.ringba.com.